This is Nazir. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Nyko ITS. I've been playing this role for the last 4 years. I'm overall with 25 plus years of industry experience. First of all, I would like to thank Vadhavani Group for including Nyko as a part of their Sahayata program. We were equally facing challenges and problems just like other IT organizations as part of during the pandemic COVID. I think the consultants from the Vadhavani Group has done a wonderful job in identifying and understanding our problems, more specifically in our human resource part of the organization. The team, the specific consultants were very eager and very deep in terms of understanding the organizations by going through multiple methods of interactions, primarily going through walking through all our policies, group discussions at various levels. They have a formed team based on the hierarchy within organizations and form teams, and then have separate interaction with each of those groups, dedicated interviews with specific people, auditing our records, and etc. Doing this for a period of 3 to 4 months time frame, as part of this engagement, the consultants could get the depth and breadth of the organizations across key areas like HR. When we talk about HR, it's HR as a functions, our organization policies, our employee engagement initiatives, activities, practice, and processes, the induction programs, right? How do we reward and recognize our associates, compensations, and more importantly, how are we, making our associate comfortable on a day-to-day project activities. These consultants really helped us to, define a way of a survey. I mean, we do conduct yearly survey, but beyond that, there's a quarterly pulse survey framework is being introduced and defined. And that it's been instrumental in terms of working with us to have the framework ready and installed, and now we are about to get start our first pulse survey by this quarter. Definitely, I never realized that an organization like don't have much experience or exposure in IT industry can come and make a difference in Nyko as part of this initiative. So what it is telling me that it is very important and it is very crucial for organization like Nyko, where it is small and then going towards medium and then large with a very ambitious growth plan. Definitely need a third eye where they have wide experiences in terms of experience across various industry, having visibility in different organizations at different levels, right? They will have, they can help to definitely, make the organization's foundation more strong, right? And they can make it more scalable and more reliable, so that when we build or when we make our organizations medium to large, you can still sail through without much challenges or problems.